A South African banknote may reach your hands in seconds, but behind its creation lies years of history, national identity, and highly guarded technology. In 1961, the rand replaced South Africa's previous currency, and over time, its banknotes became symbols of the country's changing history. Today, they feature Nelson Mandela and the famous Big Five. But behind these images operates a secure world few people ever see. Inside tightly controlled banknote factories, special materials, complex security features, and precision machines work together to create every note. Even the smallest mistake can cause an entire banknote to be rejected. So, how does an ordinary sheet become such a powerful and secure currency? Watch until the end to uncover this astonishing secret.
Readers are logging the bales correctly. Good, the shipment is verified.
The transfer rate is holding steady at 90 kilograms per hour.
Confirmed. The sensors show optimal flow into the pulping system.
The pressure differential on Pulper 1A is holding steady.
Flow rate looks optimal for the cotton input. Automated sequence initiated. Watching the primary valves now.
They are opening precisely. Chamber filling capacity increasing.
Reactor input levels are steady. Good, we are cleared to increase the flow by 10%.
Look at the trending data here. The viscosity is normalizing exactly as projected. Confirmed, the process optimization is working efficiently.
Pressure on filter 3 looks stable.
Flow rate confirms purification levels are optimal.
The fiber matrix density looks consistent here.
Yes, the 500x magnification confirms the uniformity we need.
Pressure readings are normalizing in zone 3. See here.
Acknowledged, the extraction rate is optimized.
Adjusting the conveyor speed now.
The thickness measurements on sector 3 are stabilizing.
Yes, but look at the density readings here. They are still fluctuating slightly. We need to monitor that closely.
The automated guide rollers are making fine adjustments now. We are holding perfect alignment at speed, and the indicators confirm stabilization.
These readings confirm the watermark registration is within tolerance.
Yes, the optical sensors show consistent application across the run. Calibration check complete on my side. Verified. The alignment is perfect. System green.
Feeder mechanism aligned. Speed synchronization looks stable.
Engaging the primary drive.
Approved. System stabilized.
Look at the tension reading here. It's holding steady.
Yes, alignment is locked in. We can maintain current speed.
Look at this fluctuation here. It's right on the edge of the threshold.
The positional contour reading seems stable though. It might just be sensor noise.
Perhaps keep a close eye on it as the speed increases.
Dryer section 3 is running a bit cool. Adjust the steam pressure.
Adjusting steam flow now. We should see the moisture content drop immediately.
The moisture levels in dryer section 3 look stable. Agreed. We are maintaining optimal speed and temperature.
Final humidity levels verified on screen. Everything looks good for the next stage. Confirmed. The sensors show optimal moisture content.
Look at this section here. Potential variance detected.
Adjusting the sensitivity parameters now. Recalibrating section 4.
We're seeing even cooling across the web.
The rollers are maintaining temperature perfectly according to the specs.
Look at this reading here. The speed is fluctuating slightly.
I see it. I'll adjust the servo motors now.
The throughput data matches the secure label count. Confirmed on the handheld, system integrity is green.
ATV04 is now entering the transfer zone for the sheet cutting department. All systems appear nominal.
Look at the synchronization. We are running at optimal efficiency right now.
Yeah.
So,
The blade alignment is perfect.
This biometric data checks out.
Agreed. The watermark integrity is secure.
The watermark registration is failing the level 3 scan.
Look at the density variance by the signature. It's a forgery.
Viscosity levels are within optimal parameters.
Approved for batch production.
All systems are running within the approved parameters.
Acknowledged. Updating the log now. In this highly secure facility, the first layer of the R200 note is applied. Technicians monitor the vibrant orange and
the second unit applies the critical orange and yellow-orange layers. Engineers must ensure the registration is perfect to prevent counterfeiting.
The alignment on this batch is perfect.
Yes, the magenta registration is spot on.
Look here, the alignment is drifting 0.05 millimeters.
Okay.
I'm compensating the feed tension.
That should bring it back into spec.
Lift sequence looks good on pallet 4.
Agreed. Data confirms stability. Ready for transfer to Intaglio Hall.
We've processed 50,000 units this hour.
And the discrepancy report here?
It cleared.
Multi-analysis confirms the seal integrity is holding steady. The data matches the tablet readings.
Bay is clear. Bring it in.
Confirmed. Watch the left side. Seals checked. We are secure.
Copy that. Clear to proceed. Check and verified. Affirmative. Gate opening. Watch the rear.
Here is the next brick.
Scanning now. R200 verification complete. Crate 4 scan complete and verified. All documentation is in order. Proceed to the protected loading bay.
Manifest confirmed. Proceed with loading.
Copy that.
Aligning the pallet now. Watch the clearance.
Transfer confirmed. All cassettes loaded.
$200, thank you. Have a good day.
Five bags confirmed. Loading. Copy that. Secure the rear. The flow models are holding steady. See the uptick in liquidity?
Confirmed. We are maintaining stable distribution across all hubs.